welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but as you guys can see in the video that my lips are moving and the voice is not matching. My microphone was off. I think the battery died, honestly, because I remember powering it on. But anyway, let's just talk about this Morphe X Avani palette. This palette is so beautiful. I was super impressed with this palette, and the color story definitely right up my alley, and I had to bring you guys this tutorial. So it's a very nice and short and sweet video. It's just me applying my makeup, and if you guys want to watch. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you and enjoy. Bye.